Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You're signed in and ready. Open Outlook on the web or the desktop app and go straight to Calendar. Once there, locate the specific calendar you'll share in the left pane and click it to focus. Next, look for the Share or Permissions control, usually at the top or via right-click on the calendar name, and choose Share. This starts the sharing dialog where you'll add recipients and set initial permissions, so have the people's email addresses ready as you proceed to configure access. Now add recipients. Type each email or a distribution list into the sharing dialog and hit Enter. Once added, assign a permission level. Start with Can View when busy for privacy or Can Edit if collaboration is required. Use Delegate only when full mailbox control is needed. Make sure to explain why you chose that level in the optional message field. When sharing with external users, toggle external sharing if your organization permits it. Once done, click Send or Share to apply permissions and notify recipients. Finish by confirming that recipients received the invite and can open the calendar. Ask them to refresh or reopen Outlook if needed. If you need to change access, return to calendar permissions and modify or remove users. Make sure to explain how to view or accept the share on their side. Troubleshooting tip. If someone can't access it, verify their email spelling, ensure external sharing is enabled in the Microsoft 365 Admin Center, and check tenant-level sharing policies. These are common blockers you can fix quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.